Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is a mail call. Everybody knows I love the mail calls. They're awesome. It's like Christmas morning for me when I get to open up a package and see what I got. So I was in a live uh, with Old Ways Gardening and Prepping, or I believe she calls it she calls it the group is called the Owls, Old Ways, and I'm gonna open this up and see what I got. I know I won a book, which is really cool. Whoops. Book down. Oh, my book. This is why you should open things before you start filming, because every time, without fail. But I think at this point, it's kind of become a meme that I will mess up the package opening, so why not? I'll just keep going for it. All right, so we have the book. Looks like there might be some seeds in there. She knows I really love pepper plants, so we'll see. Maybe she gave me a little something extra. So it was a Heart Healthy cookbook I won in her live, which is really cool. And I see something in here, so let's take a look. So there's the awesome Heart Health Cookbook. And she says, Dear Mike, wanted to say thank you for celebrating her. Oh, yeah, it was her birthday, of course. Forgot to mention that. Hope you enjoy your gifts. So that's really cool. And I have some seeds. So this one is Emerald Fire Jalapeno. That's a new variety to me. Excited to try that. She has if you haven't subscribed to her channel, you should do so. She is more of a pepper fanatic than I am, has tons and tons of pepper varieties, which is really cool. So this is Maine Strain Peach. That sounds, see, now I need more places to grow. I need a warehouse. Somebody gift me a warehouse so I can grow all these things. Here's a hot Hungarian wax called Mexican Sunset. That sounds beautiful. And of course, none of these I've grown before, so. Oh, wow, okay, so I've been looking for these seeds for like a long time, and I never, this is the 7-pot Infinity. If you know anything about the 7-pot people, the people who love the 7-pot, the lore is that just one pepper, you could dip it into 7 pots of stew, and it would make all 7 pots spicy because the pepper is that hot, yet that flavorful, which is why it's so cool. This is what I'm scared of. I've seen a few words of the death spiral. It's beautiful, but it will burn your face off. Oh, wow, okay. This one is a Peach Ghost Jammy. So I grew a yellow variety of ghost pepper that didn't have time to in my zone because I didn't get it out. You know, I didn't have enough grow season, so that's one I'm gonna have to try to grow inside because by the time it started to ripen on the plant and started really starting to go, the cold snapped and killed everything. So I gathered as many as I could, made pepper powder, which was still delicious. And this is all okay. This one is supposed to be a hot one too. That is really exciting. I've seen a lot of people grow. This one's a chocolate Buta, and this one is supposed to be like crazy, super hot too. So that is amazing. So thank you very much. All right, I've got an awesome book, and I've got awesome seeds. So I'm very excited to celebrate her birthday just by being there and celebrating it. I was also gifted something awesome. So that's great. This is, like I said, I keep saying it time and time again, this is a wonderful community, and I can't thank people enough for their generosity. And it's fun and exciting. So people, like I said, people keep asking me, well, how do you get all this stuff? watch people's lives. That's just that simple. Join the community, talk, have fun, and do it because they're awesome people and they'll teach you great things. But sometimes you will something as well. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.